Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable read caller names aloud on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the dialer app, then tap on the three dots over here and select settings. And from here, just tap on answering and ending calls, then tap on read caller names aloud. Now to enable read caller names aloud, just enable this toggle. And from here, you can also select how you want to activate read caller names aloud. By default, it will be enabled when you're using your headphones or any Bluetooth device, or you can select always, and it will always read the caller names aloud on your smartphone. Also, you have the option to read the caller name twice. And if you enable this toggle, it will read the caller's name twice. And this is how you can enable read caller names aloud on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.